To place a limit order on Robinhood, follow these steps. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock or asset you want to trade. Tap the stock to go to its details page. On this page, you will see the current price and other relevant information about the stock. Next, tap the Trade button, which is usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. Depending on your device, this will take you to the order screen where you can choose the type of order you want to place. Select Limit from the list of available order types. After selecting the limit option, you will need to enter the price at which you want to buy or sell the stock. This price should be the maximum price you are willing to pay if you are buying, or the minimum price you are willing to accept if you are selling. Enter the number of shares you want to trade and then review your order to make sure everything is correct. It is essential to understand that a limit order does not guarantee that your trade will be executed. If the market price does not reach your limit price, your order will not be filled. However, limit orders can help you avoid overpaying for a stock or selling it too cheaply. Before confirming your order, consider setting a time frame for how long your limit order should remain active. You can choose from several options, including good till canceled, which leaves your order open until it is either filled or you cancel it. To finalize your limit order, tap the Review button to verify the details of your order, and then tap the Confirm button to submit it. Your order will now be sent to the market, and if the conditions are met, it will be executed. When placing a limit order, it is crucial to keep in mind that you should set a realistic limit price based on current market conditions. Setting a limit price that is too high or too low may result in your order not being filled. By following these steps and understanding how limit orders work, you can effectively use this tool to manage your trades on Robinhood and potentially achieve your investment goals.